let's solve another problem about torsion. So as you can see on the diagram, we have the gear, bearing, which is, and in the solution, as you can see on the screen also, we have the problem statement, and this is the solution. So F is equals to AB over RB, and TF is equals to RE, where TF formula is RA over RB times TAB. Let's solve for TAB. So TAB is equals to 1.2 inches is equals to 1,200 pound-inches. Next, let's solve TF. So 6 over 4.5 times 1,200 is equals to 1,600 pound-inches. So next, let's solve the twisted shaft FE. So first, this is the given. So L is equals to, or length is equals to 12 inches, and C is equals to 1/2 times 7 over 8. So 7 over 16 inches, and then the G is equals to 11.2 times 10 PSI. Sorry, 11.2 times 10 to the power of 6 PSI. So J is equals to pi over 2. C to the 4th is equals to pi over 2 times the C over 7 over 18 to the 4th is equals to 57.548 times 10 raised to the power of -3 inches to the 4th. So next, let's solve this. So TL over GJ is equals to, let's just plug in, so 1,600 times 12 over 11.2 times 10 raised to the power of 6 and times 57.548 times 10 raised to the power of -3. We can get 29.2789 times 10 raised to the power of -3 radian. So next is, let's solve this. So over F is equals to 29.789 times 10 raised to the power of -3 radian. So this is our answer for this. So now let's go to the stress. So RA is equals to RB and this, and as you can see that we can just use we can just plug in using this formula. So 6 over 4.5 times 289.789 times 10 raised to the power of -3, we can get 39.718 times 10 raised to the power of -3 radian. So now for the length is equals to 8 plus 6 is equals to 14 inches. So RG is 57.548 times 10 raised to the power of -3 inches to the 4th. So just plug in the values of this PL over GG using this formula. So we can get 1,200 times 14 over 11.2 times 10 raised to the power of 6 times 57.548 times 10 raised to the power of -3. So if we compute this, we can get 26.065 times 10 raised to the power of -3 radian. So using this formula, let's just plug in. So 39.718 times 10 raised to the power of -3 plus 26.065 times 10 raised to the power of -3. We can simply get 65.783 times 10 raised to the power of -3 radian times 180 over pi. So we can get the final answer of 3.77 degrees.